Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a very simple flyer design on Canva. My name is Rose, your Umbo teacher. So let's get started. First, we're going to click on this add icon here so we can select the template or the size we want to work with. So we're going to be using the logo size, which is 500 by 500 pixel for this particular design. So let's click on it. Okay, so this is our workspace. Let's take it down. This is our workspace and where we're going to be creating the flyer design. So the next thing for us to do now is to change the color of our background to navy blue, because we'll be working with navy blue as a background. So just tap on the background and see color. Scroll up so you can insert in this box. You can insert the color code you want. So the color code for the navy blue is 0A032F. So the color code has appeared, the color rather has appeared here. Just click on it. Now this is the color of our background. The next thing for us to do is to insert a texture into this design. A very simple texture. So click on add again here and go to gallery. So you have to locate the texture wherever it is on your phone. Just go to recent and scroll on your phone and find it where it is. So I'm going to where it is on my phone so I can get access to it. Okay, now this is the texture we'll be using. Just click on it and add to page. Now this is the texture here. The next thing we'll be doing is to fit this texture into the entire background. So we're going to just move it and drag it and drag any of the edges. Boom, and that's it. It is now lapped on the background. So we're going to reduce the opacity or the transparency of this texture. So this is transparent here. We're going to take the transparency to 4. So 4. Boom. So instead of dragging all this up and down, just go here and insert the opacity that you want and click on that. So now this is it. This is the texture in our design, in our background rather. So let's go to the next phase. So we're going to be adding a shape to this design. So go back to this add icon here and go to elements and pick a shape. So there are various shapes here depending on what you want to work with. Various shapes you can easily pick, and I'll be working with a rectangle shape. So this is the rectangle here. Now there are different kinds of rectangle. You can see white, you can see other kinds of rectangles. So let's pick this one. This is the one we'll be using. Now let us elongate the size of this rectangle so it touches. Okay, so you can touch the edge of both the background. So now I'm going to take it to the bottom. Now that's it. Okay, let's elongate it a bit and just take it downwards. Now this is it. So we're going to duplicate this particular shape, rectangle shape. Just going to duplicate it and move the duplicate upwards. Okay, we're using the size rather. So we're going to take this shape to the right top edge, and we're going to change the color of this particular shape to yellow. So just click on color here and screw up to change the color code. So the color code for the yellow is FBC 503. Now this is the color code. Just click on it. Click on it here and boom. That's the color code. So we're actually getting the design in shape. The next thing for us to do now is to insert a text into this design. So click on add again here. Then scroll here to see text. Click on text. So just click on any of them here. Let's click on the first one. We'll be changing the font anyways later on. So our first text here will be designing in capital letter. Designing. Yeah. That's not designing. All right. Designing. So this will be the first text here. Now we're going to align it to the middle. Okay, so we're doing the middle. That's great. Okay, proper alignment. Then we're going to copy this particular design. Okay, let's change the font first before we copy it. We're going to be using the font Roboto. So just go to fonts here and type Roboto here. Roboto. Now this is it. The Roboto condensed is one we're going to be using. Now it has been applied to the design, to the fonts. Yeah, that's it. Then we're going to make it bold. Yeah, that's it. Then we're going to increase the size of this particular design to about 40. Let's see how that goes. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to copy or duplicate this particular designing. So just select order, make easy. Make easy. Next thing is to reduce the size to 38. So let's just go here. 30. Let's do it 35. 35, yeah. They will make it bold. Okay. Then align it to the center by going to position, and it's already on the center, hence center is out. This is already on the center. That's great. Good. The next thing for us to do is to copy this make easy again, duplicate it so we can make some other text. Just select all. Now we're going to be typing some services like logo designing, flyer, printing, branding, etc. So the first one, I'm going to be using a special degree icon, which is this here. So I don't know how you're going to locate it on your keyboard, depending on the kind of keyboard, but I'm sure you should have it on yours. So that's the logo. Again, flyers. That's the same thing. Business card. Business card. Printing. Don't worry, we're going to resize it so you can see it. Then branding. Or branded before printing, any of them. So I'm going to reduce the size of this to about 20. Okay. Okay, I think that's okay. Oh, let's take it to 18, let's see. Okay, I think this is fair enough. Okay, I think we can work with this. Now the next thing for us to do is to copy this and add an exclamation mark here. Yeah, then take it to this place and increase the size. So make this, just this here, just this here, then this. Choose the size, I guess, increase it a bit. I'm trying to get it properly fitted to both designs, both text. Okay, let's just work with the size here. That's still not 8, so let's take it to 9 to 5. Okay, that is just perfect then. Just perfect. Now the color for this would be the same yellow, which is this. This, the same thing. All right. And we'll be adding one last thing. Okay, let's adjust this to the middle. It's already at the center. That's great. Then we'll be adding one last thing. Let's just copy this, which is contact details. So editing this now. We've copied that. So we're just going to add call or WhatsApp. Rows, all right. Then take this here and change the color to black. Black, color code for black is 060 or true. Yeah. Now that's it. Then make it bold a bit. Make it bold. Or we can just, I think, let's work without the bold. Let's work without the bold. Just increase the size. Let's go to, let's increase the size to 15. Yeah, that's it. That's it. And adjust this to the middle, to the center. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Adjusting this, adjust this a bit. Okay. Now, so this is the very easy design. Everything is aligned to the center. It's all aligned to the center. It's all aligned to the center. So this is how you can create a very simple flyer design on Canva. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust that quickly. Okay, still the middle. So this is how you can create a very simple flyer design in Canva. Very easy. You don't have to be so over the board. You can just create something very easy and random just to pass a very simple message. But there are times whereby you would need to, depending on the kind of project you want to work with, if there are images you need to embed into any shape and all that. So it's totally dependent on what you're working with. And when you're done with it, just click on here and save your work. It's as easy as that. So this is how you can create a very simple flyer design in Canva.